Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading Beach Buggy Racing on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can do this by using the search bar on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open the app. If your PC doesn't have the Microsoft Store installed, you'll need to install it first. Also, if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you'll need to create one to access the store and download apps. Now that you have the Microsoft Store open, you'll notice a search bar located right at the top of the window. Simply click on the search bar and type in Beach Buggy Racing. After typing it, press enter, and the game should appear in the search results. Once you see Beach Buggy Racing in the results, click on the game's title. This will take you directly to the game's download page. Here, you'll find a button that says either Get or Install. Click on this button, and the download process will start right away. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, this might take a few minutes. Once the download is finished, the game will automatically be installed on your PC. After the installation, you can either open Beach Buggy Racing directly from the Microsoft Store or use the search bar on your taskbar to search for Beach Buggy Racing and click on it to launch the game. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.